Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Asana Cloud Project Management easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Asana Cloud Project Management, start by navigating to the Asana website. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required details to create your account. Once you've created your account, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Asana dashboard. To create a new project, click on the plus New Project button. You'll see several project templates to choose from. Select a template that fits your needs, or choose to create a blank project. Give your project a name that clearly describes its purpose. Next, set up your project by adding sections to organize tasks. Within each section, click Add Task to create individual tasks. For each task, set deadlines and assign team members if necessary. You can add subtasks to break down larger tasks into manageable steps. To enhance collaboration, add comments and attach relevant files to tasks. Make sure to adjust the project settings to suit your workflow. If you want to view tasks visually, switch to the board view. You can drag and drop tasks between sections to reflect progress. Once your project is set up, encourage your team to add their tasks. Regularly review and update your project to keep everything on track. As your project progresses, utilize Asana's reporting features to monitor productivity. For further customization, explore additional features like integrations and automation. By following these steps, you'll have successfully activated Asana for your project management needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.